Okay, just hear me out. Forget old wars with tanks rolling slowly across fields in 2026 while it's completely insane. We now have drone armies that hunt targets on their own and AI system deciding who lives and who dies in seconds. And soldiers fighting with memes, for God's sake, only memes, and cyber attack that can black out the entire city without firing a single bullet. This isn't a movie. It's happening right now at this very moment. Like, Trump literally announced major strikes and pressures via tweet. And boom! The 2026 Iran war kicks off with the Israel and the US hitting Iranian leadership so hard. The supreme leader, Khamenei, was taken out in the opening salvo.
And the international laws are struggling to keep up. Susuke.
Hello and welcome to Luske, and this is Susuke.
Hello to you too.
Master Mingu's bringing the law, and I'm questioning it. Let's dive into how crazy modern warfare has become. Biggest change? Drones everywhere. Cheap FPV drones are destroying million-dollar tanks. In Russia, Ukraine, both sides are using thousands of drones daily. I mean, wow, that's so much. But in the 2026 Iran conflict, Iran launched thousands of drones and hundreds of ballistic missiles in retaliation, including hypersonic Fattah missiles, trying to overwhelm Israel and US defense.
This has completely changed the economics of war. A 500 drone can take out a tank worth millions.
And even crazier, AI on the battlefield. Israel systems and US AI compress targeting from hours to fucking seconds. In the opening hours of Operation Epic Fury, they unleashed nearly 900 strikes using AI for rapid targeting identification and kill chain decisions. Some systems now detect, track, and engage with minimal human input.
This raises huge legal questions. Who is responsible when AI makes a mistake and kills civilians?
Exactly! And then there's a cyber warfare. US and Israel cyber ops crippled Iran communications and internet in the first hours. Near total blackout. Iran hit back by targeting data centers and infrastructures. One well-placed cyber strike can paralyze a country faster than traditional bombing. And also, Trump's social media pressure added a whole new layer of real-time psychological ops. Meme warfare and propaganda. Both sides flood TikTok, X, and apps with deepfakes and memes, and Israel reportedly hacked Iranian apps to push anti-regime messages right as strikes hit. Starlink and commercial satellites. Private tech like Starlink became crucial for comms aimed blackouts. Commercial space is now a battlefield player. Robotic dogs and exoskeletons. China and the US testing armed robotic dogs and powered suits. The future infantry is here. Oh my goodness. Deepfakes and info-ops. Fake videos of leaders surrounding or chaos messages to confuse troops and civilians. Iran's retaliation included strikes on Gulf states and oil facilities.
The Geneva Conventions never imagined drone swarms, AI killers, meme propaganda, or assassinating a supreme leader with precision strikes. International law is racing to catch up.
It's like we're living in Call of Duty, but people actually dying. I mean, in February 2026, the US-Israel opening strikes decapitated Iranian leadership and hammered nuclear/missile sites. Iran's massive retaliation caused regional chaos, including Strait of Hormuz disruptions and global oil spikes. Here's my hot take. Technology is making war too easy to start. When a 20-year-old can control a swarm of killer drones from only a laptop, AI plans hundreds of strikes in hours, the barrier to conflict dropped massively. And look how fast the Iranian escalation happened.
But on the other side, precision weapons and AI targeting can reduce civilian casualties compared to old carpet bombing.
True, but when you combine cheap drones, AI, cyber attacks, and social media pressure, any country, literally any country or well-funded groups can start devastating war with very little money, which makes it really terrifying. In 2026, Iran war show quickly things can spiral with hypersonic missiles and saturation drones attack and leadership decapitation.
This is why we need a stronger international rules urgently.
So what do you think? Really, you that you watching. Is AI and drone warfare making war more humane or way more dangerous? Drop your opinion in the comment below, especially on the Iran conflict. I read literally every comment. Waiting. Quick fire facts! Ukraine has used sea drones to sink major warships, and Iran fires thousands of drones and over 1,700 missiles in a wave during the 2026 war, using saturation tactic to overwhelm AI defenses. And some loitering munitions like kamikaze drones can wait in the air for hours. Wow, that's so much. Hours? Next one. Cyber attacks in 2025 and 2026 caused billions in damage. In the Iran war, they included app hacks and infrastructure blackouts. AI is now being used to write propaganda, generate deepfakes at scale, and accelerate targeting. This is the first major AI war in many ways. And Trump Truth social media posts become part of the warfare toolkit, announcing pressure and deadlines.
And all this means the laws written in 1949 are struggling against the 2026 technology.
War in 2026 looks nothing like what our grandparents fought. It's faster, cheaper, smarter, and scarier. The Iran-Israel-US conflict is straight sci-fi chaos.
And humanity must update its rules before it's too late.
Which new weapon or moment shocked you the most? Drone swarms, AI killers, meme warfare, or the rapid Iran leadership strikes? Tell me in the comments. The craziest answer gets pinned. If you want more fun but eye-opening videos about our crazy world, smash like, subscribe, and hit the bell.
Stay curious and stay safe out there.
This is Susuke.